Question 3. Which set of ordered pairs does not model a function? Does not. So we're looking for the one that is not a function. A function means every input has one output. And remember, input is x, output is y. So every x has one y value. So when we're given ordered pairs, we want to look for repeating x's to see if one x has multiple y's. So I'm going to circle all my x values. On this first one, none of my x's repeat. Therefore, none x has multiple outputs. A is wrong because it is a function. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for B. Once again, none of the x's repeat, and therefore it is a function. On C, however, all my x's have a different y. So my one input of 1 has multiple outputs of 1, 2, 3, or 4. This is not a function. And this one's asking for does not model a function. Therefore, C is my answer. We can double check D just to make sure. None of those repeat. D is a function.